I want to show you how you can verify your Berry crypto trading platform. If you have not created an account, you can create an account using the link in the description below, and you can watch my other video that I have created to show you how you can register on Berry. For me, I already have an account, so I'll click on login and I will put my details. After the successful logging in, I'll click the icon on the corner there and I click on account and security. It will bring me to this page where it says account verification. As you can see here, identity verification, apply for ID verification. If your account is not verified, you cannot withdraw the money. You cannot even deposit. You need to actually verify your account. So here you put in your real names, Here you put in your real names. You put in your ID number here. Then you put in you upload, you capture the front part of the ID. So you can select the image you want from here, and also here at the back of the ID. Then here you capture yourself holding the ID, showing the front part of the ID and also capturing yourself. You upload here. After you upload this document, you click submit. When you click submit, you wait for about 10 minutes. Your account will be verified. When you come again, your account will be verified. It will look something like this. Let me log into this one. What happens is that after you submit your verification records, that's the ID, after 10 minutes or 20 minutes, your account will be reviewed and approved. If it's approved, it will show something like this: identity verification complete here. Then you are ready to trade, you are ready to make money, you are ready to deposit, you are ready to withdraw. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and share for more videos. God bless you.